Hello everybody, it's been a rainy day today. Not much you can do. I'm fixing me some coleslaw today. I'm grating up a carrot to put in it with some Miracle Whip and some raspberry vinaigrette dressing. There's my dressing. Boy, this is going to taste good. I got it all mixed up now. I'll put it in a bowl and wrap it up and put it in the refrigerator until I get the rest of my meal finished. I'm going to cook out today. Here's some grits. I cooked them last night and put them in the refrigerator so they would stiffen up a little bit so I could cut them. I'll fry these in a frying pan over a campfire. Got a few potatoes I peeled. I'm going to make some French fries. I'll have French fries also with my meal. I'm going to fry some catfish today outside over an open fire. I like to wash my catfish off again to make sure they're good and clean. I'm not the best cook in the world, but I don't starve. I'm beating up a couple eggs. I'll roll the catfish in them. Then I have some flour and some special seasoning in a Ziploc bag. I'll put all my catfish in here, get them shaken up good, and I'll take them outside and fry them over an open fire. No use cooking in the house when you don't have to. Nothing like being outside and cooking over an open fire. These are my grits I'm frying. I like to get them brown on both sides. They're all done, I believe, golden brown. These are my French fries. Boy, they're going to be good. Those are my catfish. Boy, they're going to be good. Took me about 15 minutes, but I got them fried up. Gonna move my grate on top so I don't have to bend over. I'll put my meal on the top and it'll stay warm. Putting some French fries on. Boy, this is going to be good. Boy. There's my catfish. Golden brown. Delicious. Nothing like being outside on a beautiful day. Even though it rained, it's nice and quiet and peaceful. Thanks for watching my video.